get you one. I love it. Oh my gosh, I actually like it. Wow.
There's a hope that's waiting for you in the dark. You should know you're beautiful just the way you are.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Chariti Sinae and I am back with another video. And today I am just give me a moment. Like, wait. I am going to be doing a very special review. And as y'all have read by the title of this video, it has everything to do with Rihanna. And y'all know I'm in love with her. She inspires me. She inspires me. There we go. In every single way there is. And that's why I love her so much, because I genuinely look up to her. So she has launched more items that are a part of her Beach Please collection for the summer. Limited edition, and I'm so hurt because I didn't make it for the Body Lava. I made sure I made it for this one. She came out with new Kilowatts and some lip glosses. So unfortunately, as soon as I opened it, I threw the packaging away, which is sad. I just be so excited, y'all, and that's really what happened. I'll be just reviewing it, and I'll be, you know, trying some products on for you guys. Of course, I got like the poppin' one. I mean, all of it is poppin', but I got the one that's mostly talked about because that's the eye catcher, okay, which is the Kilowatt foils in the shades Mimosa Sunrise and Sangria Sunset. Like, look, this thing is beautiful. It just has this hot poppin' pink in this like orange color. You know, what I didn't know is she had redid the packaging on these and reformulated these as well. I did not know that, but as you can see, it just has this mirrored border going around it, which is really pretty. I mean, the packaging to me, since she started her cosmetics line, to me it's always been beautiful and unique. She really takes her time on it. I mean, of course, it's just so pretty. Let's do some swatches. Oh my gosh, they're so smooth and buttery. Like, look at that. This is such a pretty color. It's like swatching it, it's kind of like a dandelion more than like an orange. Oh, this pink. Wow, this is beautiful. So she did launch 2 others with this that I didn't buy. This was the only thing I bought from those 2. Well, out of the 3. And of course, I bought one of the kits because she launched these in trios. These are her iridescent lip luminizers, and I got the kit that came with bilingual, ready to mingle, and single. You know what, this really, before my current relationship, this described my life. So it came with like an orange, this type of like mint green shade, and this purple like shade. It's kind of like purple pinkish, I don't know. It's really pretty. I like it. So let's swatch, because let me see. I like these. Like, I think these are so pretty. Now I don't know which one I want to wear. I think I'm gonna do the orange though, because it's gonna go best with the look, right? I mean, the orange or the little hot pink or the purple. I don't know what you want to call that, but these are so pretty. I'm really redoing like her photo, so I'm gonna take the pink, trying to put that. This is different for me because I've never just did an all shimmer eye. This is pretty. I like this. It's buildable, so you can really build it up to intensify this pink if you want to. Well, the color just in general. I should have zoomed in. I hate when I do that. Okay. You know, I like it. I like this. I really like this. Okay, so what we're going to do is go in with the orange. And like, I'm just like doing whatever here. Not really going to touch the outer corner too much because I'm going to put some pink in the outer corner. This is different than what I'm used to, and so far I'm liking it. Just kind of going back in with the pink and just putting that on the outer corner, then blending it in my crease and then flicking it out on the side like that. I like this. I can dig it too. I love it. Just gonna take like a small little detailing brush and I'm gonna go back in with the orange. And I'm going to put that on my crease. I mean on my lid. Some more just to kind of bring it out some more. Wow. I love it. So I'm gonna go under my eyes and I'm gonna take Mimosa Sunrise and I'm also gonna put it under there. That's how she had it in the pictures, but I'm gonna do mine a little different. I love this. Wow. I don't know. I don't know why I'm tripping out like this. I guess because when you really never do like anything different, and then you do, and then when like you like it, the results are good. I guess that's just how it is. So underneath, what I'm gonna do now is go in with Sangria Sunset. I'm going back in with my stippling brush. I'm taking the very tip of it and just wiggling it in there, and I'm gonna kind of tight line under my eyes. Get you one. I love it. I'm not putting on lashes because in her photo it just looked like she had mascara on, like light mascara, you know, and I want to keep the focus on the eyes. So I'm gonna do mascara, but I'm gonna do it really lightly. So now we're gonna do blush. I don't know which one I want to use because I really like these. I don't know which one I want to use. So first, what I'm gonna do is just try the Mimosa Sunrise and just see how that works on my complexion because I'm a little unsure. Oh my gosh, I actually like it. Wow. You know what? This is so cute. Okay, we just gonna pop a little bit of the Sangria Sunset on just to try it, you know? I'm gonna kind of go like on top. I don't know if y'all could tell, but I like that. Okay. I think that's pretty. I don't know if y'all can see, but it's kind of just gave me, oh. Okay, we're gonna stop right there. I think I'm gonna do the orange. I think we're gonna do the orange. I don't know why I keep putting this down because this is the only mirror I have like at hand right now. So I'm gonna do Bilingual and let's just see how it looks. I didn't want to line my lips because, you know, for this, she made it seem like everything was really like natural and kind of like beach vibes, kind of like summer, like real life summer, but everything was still really like lightweight. You know, it was just all about the color and all about the products, and she didn't really, it seemed like she didn't really add anything to take away from the products. So I just left it, you know, like this. So this is the final look. This is like the finished look, like it's complete. I'm sorry, when my hair is out, I play with it because I just be having to get it together. Okay, so I really hope y'all like it. I like it. I really like it. I think if I would have finished it off with some Fix Plus, it would have been nice as well, but I don't feel like it. But it, you know what, this would pair really good with the Coconut Fix Plus from MAC. Like, wow. I'm not just saying that because I work there, but it really would have. This is definitely not an everyday look, of course. So in that, I feel like that's why I fell in love with it, because it's just not something that I would do, and it's not something I would wear every day. Like, of course I wouldn't, but it's different and it's creative, and that's what I really like about her line, is she's not just coming out with typical things like powder, and even though she has the powder, but it's just, she's always coming out with something for everybody, and I love the creativity, and I really like it. I love the look because it just looks so nice and natural and really subtle but different, and I like that. I really like how it all came together because I was very unsure at first. So yeah, I hope y'all liked it. Please be sure to like this video and then subscribe to my channel, and this is pretty much it. So thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you all in my next one. Bye guys.